Okay. This is the levels or these numbers. Yeah, it's obvious. It's tempo. That's the tempo. It changes. It really changes over time. These things are well. This one is the glide time. Um, the glide sampler glide time. It glides between there. We're gonna go and add a graph for the sampler pitch glide time. We got that, the glide time. And the fine tune coarse tune. We're gonna go and set up some coarse tune, uh, changing the tuning as the music goes. So yeah, these are the tune change. The tuning changes as it goes. I can go to, of course, um, the pan. I did that. That's the pan, panning back and forth, left and right. Um, and this is just for the one thing, you know. Next, I'm gonna. Well, what else with main pan solo mute volume? No, I'm not gonna play with the volume. Equalizer, compressor, tape delay. We did the feedback, so let me show you. This is the feedback. I didn't do the feed. I did the feedback down here. I didn't do the feedback up here. And this one, we're gonna get some neat changes in the amount of feedback as it plays these MIDI notes. So we can do that. Echo feedback. Echo feedback. Let's go time. Down here. This is another tempo thing, obviously. It goes. It's snapping to these areas. The tempo change of the echo time, echo tempo, so to speak. Yeah, we start off. Okay, in this one we got echo, tempo, sampler. So this is the pitch coarse tune again. The the other, the other song, the other audio file being played. Um, this is the tuning is going to go out of whack, so it's going to go glide up and down as it goes. That's coarse tuning, very dramatic. 8 notes, 8 steps up, 8 steps down, 11 steps up, 14 steps down. Yay! And the tempo is going. Let's go back to this one. The feedback and volume main, sampler, sampler pitch, coarse tune. We got filter, cutoff. I like resonance in my filter. I don't even know if I'm saying that word right. Resonance, resonance. I don't know, but it's okay. I see what it reads as, and I know what it sounds like. Delay, feedback. Okay, the sampler again. We got envelopes, modulation, filter cutoff, and the amp. Yeah, I just got messages, but I don't know from where or who. Anyway, that's the sampler amp output pan. I like that. There we go. Output pan. Okay, I can only imagine what this sounds like. This is the piano piece. I'm gonna not play this. I'm gonna play a little bit of um of the original song. This is the MIDI I took it from, and yeah, this would be, and it's gonna open up in music. This is the piece that I did all these effects to the piano in this piece. This is the piece. That's what it sounds like, and then this will be what it sounds like now. Yeah, yeah, it sounds like that. Oh, look, I'm editing as it's playing. Oh, isn't that nice? Isn't that just great? Output. Oh, these are the pan changes. You can see the pan changes there. As it changes, it gradually pans left and right. You see that happening, and the tempo's changing, and yeah. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. It's like automation. It's really cool. I'm gonna start up compression. I got compression going on. I can automate that. Tape delay. I'm just gonna add another plugin. Let's say distortion. Straight up distortion. Yeah, we got distortion going on. I'll set it to factory heavy distortion. Now it should come up in this one in here. I go to distortion. I got the drive mapping. How much drive is going on with the distortion levels in the distortion setting. Distortion. Starting, that's doing that. Yeah. See, level compensation. Set those levels and distortion area. So this one, we're going to add some sort of multi-effect. Pitch, reverb. Yeah, Space Designer Stereo. Right. It was something I already designed. And then we'll mess with those. The space D. These are all wet output. That's really important. So let's go with space and dry output. Oh, it sets it, the volume level. It sets it right up there really high. We gotta change that volume. That'll change the volume. That's nice, it gives you the numbers. I'm setting the volume to. Happening in here in this song. I'm gonna turn down that even more. I didn't like distortion. Okay, what else in distortion? The tone. Distortion will do tone things. So, I'm hoping, this isn't a quality sound out. This is just voice and the speakers in my system playing and the mic picking it up. So anyway, I'm gonna stop the video there.